Is LeanVance really the miracle fat-burning supplement it claims to be, or just another slick marketing product designed to prey on your desire to lose weight fast? That's exactly what we're digging into today. LeanVance promises a leaner, healthier body by boosting metabolism, suppressing appetite, and burning fat using so-called powerful natural ingredients like green tea extract, Garcinia cambogia, cayenne pepper, and forskolin. Sounds impressive on the surface, but when you look beyond the flashy claims, things start to fall apart. The first major issue? There's absolutely no transparency about the ingredient dosages. Without knowing how much of each ingredient is actually included, you have no way of telling whether the formula can actually deliver results, or if it's just pixie dust sprinkled in to sound good. Even supplements with proven ingredients can be ineffective if the dosages are too low, and LeanVance doesn't give us any reason to trust what's inside the bottle. Then there's the marketing. It's intense, pushy, and full of pressure tactics. You'll see countdown timers telling you to act fast before the deal vanishes, limited time discounts that reset every time you reload the page, and exaggerated language that tries to make it seem like this is the only solution that works. That kind of marketing is a major red flag, especially in the health and fitness industry where scams are all too common. Another problem is the complete lack of transparency about the product's origin. There's no mention of where it's manufactured, whether it's produced in a GMP-certified facility or if it's been tested for purity and quality. In today's supplement market, that kind of information is essential to building trust, and LeanVance just doesn't provide it. And perhaps the most concerning issue of all, there are zero verified customer reviews anywhere. No genuine before and after stories, no trusted testimonials, and no presence on reputable platforms. That silence speaks volumes. It's not necessarily a scam, but it's also far from trustworthy. At the end of the day, LeanVance might have an appealing label and some buzzwords that sound convincing, but it doesn't back up those claims with transparency, science, or real-world proof. Without knowing what's really inside, how it's made, or whether anyone has actually seen results, you're essentially rolling the dice with your health and your money. There are far better, well-documented supplements on the market that don't hide behind vague claims and marketing gimmicks. So if you're thinking about trying LeanVance, you might want to pause and do a little more research, because what's missing here matters more than what's being promised.